that will help you grow. All right. For example, we have Gurvinder Singh too, who's not there. He's into YouTube. So I am into digital marketing. If we both collaborate, we can do a fantastic. So we have Rinki. She's also into IT. So me and her can collaborate and help each other. So that is how we can grow. You agree with me or not?
Yes.
Okay. So you don't have to go to external world. All of us are here. You are meeting each one of us every twice a month at least. So think कि मैं किसके साथ यहीं पे I can forge a partnership. There are many times what happens is I as an investor would love to invest with someone and we form a new company. ऐसा भी हुआ है और बहुत सारे networking platform में you will have live cases जहाँ वो business में करता ही नहीं था, but I opened a new business just because I joined a networking platform. So these opportunities will come. It is already there with you. Now you have to think how can you implement. Correct? Can you do that? ये तो है, यहीं पे है. So what are you waiting for? Why when you are coming here? So each minute is valuable to you. You ask yourself that am I utilizing every minute of this meeting? If you are not, then it's a waste of time. All right. So think of doing partnership with your members. Here, this is the easiest thing to do. Moving ahead. All right. I've not put this because I am into digital marketing, but today we are in digital era. Everything is going digital. Digital is disrupting all the businesses. Now with AI coming, many more businesses will get disrupted. So if as a businessman you are not going digital, that means you will become obsolete. One day it will come, your business will die. Sorry to say that, but that will happen. So you have to adapt to the new world, and the new world is digital. अगर आपने नहीं एक step लिया है, please take that step. Because digital can do wonders for you. So don't be an outdated businessman. Make best of the digital world. It will help you grow your business. All right. The last point. Every business has a niche. What is niche? Anybody? What do you mean by? Preeti ji? Exclusive. Yes, ma'am.
USP.
पता?
It's actually niche that you are actually master of that point.
Very
that
good.
subject.
Okay.
That is
So
the
you
niche.
are
have to
like
narrow
subject
down
matter
it.
expert of that.
Yes.
You are trying to say. All right. Preeti ji, what is niche?
Specialization. It is
Specialization.
basically your strongest point, which where you stand out in the market.
All right. Manas ji.
Same thing, we must have something different and it should be delivered in something different.
Fantastic. So you ask yourself, every business has that opportunity जहाँ में आपके पास कुछ अलग है, which will differentiate your business with the crowd. जैसे निकुंज जी का है, 80% तक वो डिस्काउंट देते हैं. कपड़ा तो सब सेल करते हैं. हाँ, और घर पे. तो ये उनका निश है कि एक तो मैं 80% डिस्काउंट देता हूँ और फिर होम डिलीवरी भी देता हूँ. बाकी जो उनके कंपटीशन है वो नहीं कर पाएंगे ये. So he can create a niche around that and stand out in the competition. So can all of you do that? So take 10 seconds. You know your business more than anybody else. 10 seconds. Use your brains. Write in the piece of paper. What is your niche? Point number 1. Point number 2. How would you make your niche your strength? Think. It is not small, it is big, but many of us don't even think on these lines and we remain small. Okay, if you really want to take a big leap, you have to think on this line and also act on it. You agree with me on this? Very difficult? No, it is in your hand. Your growth is in your hand. Alright? Alright. How many minutes left?
2 minutes over.
Oh, okay, I'm done. Thank you very much. I think you are good. I'll be happy if you are able to execute few of these points. With that note, signing off, Gurvinder Singh. Thank you. So this Rinki has it and she will share in the group. Thank you.
Very useful.